So we'll start at sharp 6. So wait for your friends to join. Jashmita, can you unmute? Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name? Usha, what's your name? Hi, child.
My
What's your
name
name?
is Dakshin. My name is Dakshin.
Okay, hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, great. Are you ready for the session?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so we'll wait for your friends to join and then we'll start. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Okay, so I think there is still some time. So can everybody introduce themselves to me? Should I start first? Okay, so hi, my name is Priyal and we'll be doing some nice games today. Have you seen KBC Kaun Banega Crorepati on TV? Have you seen? Amrish, can you tell me? Have you seen it? The show where they ask questions and people reply to the questions.
I have seen that kind of show, but I didn't see what show you told, ma'am.
Okay, so similar kind of show you have seen. Okay, so we are gonna play something like that. We are gonna do some quizzes today and let's see how it will be. So are you all excited for the quizzes? Can you show your thumbs if you're excited for it? Okay, great. Sorry, I can't hear you, Varuni. Can you tell louder? Can you be a little louder?
Ma'am, speak.
Varuni, can you repeat?
Ma'am, can you repeat question?
Which questions, Varuni? Varuni?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you want to tell me? Which questions are you talking about?
You are talking about KBC.
Yes, so we are gonna play some quizzes today. It would be some options. There will be some options, and you have to tell me which option is correct. Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, I can see
Ma'am.
you. Saloni, Ramani, Areen, can you turn on your video? Sandhya. Hi, Areen.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Saloni, can you turn on your camera? Okay, so I'm Varuni, Saloni, Ramani, and Sandhya. Can you please turn on your camera so that we can have a good conversation? Okay. So I'll share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll present it. Okay, so we are gonna do a demo session for the reasoning workshop, which is by Neeta ma'am. So are you all excited for the session? Show me your thumbs. Okay. Okay, great. Okay. So let's start. So it is a reasoning workshop. So we have 4 types of reasoning. So the first one we are going to do is verbal reasoning. So verbal reasoning includes GK based questions and also includes hidden alphabet patterns. So should we start?
So today we are going to do verbal reasoning.
First, it is verbal reasoning. There are 4 types of reasoning. So first we'll see verbal reasoning. Okay? Is it fine? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start. So select the option which best matches the pattern below. Can you see the pattern? Please don't scribble. Please don't scribble.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me what is this? It is R, T, V, P, and N. So we have 4 options. A, B, C, and D. Can you see the 4 options? Okay, who is this? Please don't scribble. So can you see the 4 options? A, B, C, and D? So we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
find the best which matches this one, the pattern in the question, which is R, T, V, P, and N. Who's it? Please don't scribble, child. You're a nice child. Please don't do that. It's disturbing others. Okay. So who's it? Give me a minute. Please don't scribble. Okay. So which is the option? Which one of the option is correct? Which option do you think is correct? Tell me. Any one of you want to tell which option is correct? You feel which option matches the pattern in the question best? Varuni, can you tell me?
I think C or C. I think C.
Okay, you think it's C. Okay. So if you don't want to say, just comment it on the chat box. I'll see the reply on the chat box. Which option you find is correct? Amrish, which one do you think? Okay, I can see. Okay, I can see some answers in the chat box. Okay, so some of you say that it's A. Okay, how many of you think it's A? Okay, Amrish thinks it's C. Okay, so should we check? Should we check the answer what it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I can see many people have said that answer is A. So let's check it if it is A or not. So here it is. We'll check if the answer is A or not. Oh, it's not A because I have selected the red color. Okay, so which is it? You have 3 more options. So which one is the next you feel is correct? Please comment on the chat box. Okay, I can see Rajula D, Amrish and Areen, Sandhya B and C. Okay. So let's check first B. I can see some B's. Okay, so should we check B? Is it right or wrong? Okay, so what should I select? Red or green? Red or green? What should I select for B? For B, option B, red or green? What do you think it is?
Red. I think it's red.
Okay, you think it is red. Okay, how many of you say it's red? Varuni, what do you think?
This is red.
Okay, so green, how many of you say it's green?
For C, it should be green.
Okay, so let's check. Should I?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's red again.
R.
So now tell me, which one do you think is the option? C or D? Okay, I can see Rujula
Ma'am?
answering D. Yes. Rushi, can you turn on your camera? I can't see you. Can you show me a beautiful face? Okay, I can see Areen's answer, Hamreesh's answer. Okay, so some are saying C and some are saying D. So which one should I go for first? C or D?
C.
Ma'am,
C.
C.
Okay, so let's check if C is correct or not. So which one should I select? Red or green? Tell me. For C.
Green.
C.
Green. Okay, how many of you say it's green? Show me your thumbs. How many of you agree with green? Okay.
D.
So, oh, great job. It's green. Okay, great job. Well done. It's green. So the correct answer is C. But do you know why it is C? Do you know the logic? Hamresh, can you tell me the logic why we have got the answer as C?
I thought it was B because J after K is not there, so it's L. But at the last two letters, it's not P and R. But I didn't know the sequence for those two, so I just thought it was C.
Okay, okay. So do you know the logic, the actual logic for solving this? Should I give you all a hint? Do you all want a hint to solve this?
Yes.
Okay. So the hint is you have your pen and a pen and notebook. So write down A to Z in your notebook. Okay, I'll also join you in writing A to Z. Okay, so first let's start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, just show me a thumbs up if you finish writing it. Q, R, S,
Q.
T, U, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So tell me how many of you have finished writing? Varuni, have you finished?
Yes, I am finished, ma'am.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay. Okay. So now can you think? Okay. So first see the pattern in the question. It starts with R, correct? Right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So let's underline R over here. So then which letter is next in the question?
T.
T. Okay. So I'll underline T. So it's going from R, it's going to T. So can you tell me, is it going forward or backward? Okay, unmute and tell me.
Forward.
Forward. Okay. It's going forward, right? Okay, perfect. So is it going straight forward or is it skipping one letter in between?
It's keeping one letter between.
Perfect. Okay. So after that, we can see one more letter. After T, which letter is there on the question? B, right?
V.
Okay. So from T, we go to V. Okay, perfect. So here also we have the same logic. It's skipping one more letter and going forward. Correct?
But I didn't know how it came P and N.
Okay, okay. So from V, you can see it's going to P, right?
Now, I think now it is going backward.
Okay, you think it's going backward, right? Okay. So can you tell me it's taking a long jump from V to P? So do you know from where we started? Usha, what was your name, child? I forgot.
Induction.
Sorry?
Induction.
Dakshan,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So from V to P, Dakshan, it's taking a long jump. So do you remember from which letter we started?
Yeah.
Which letter was it?
R.
Perfect. Okay. So can we make it from R to P?
No.
Why no? It will be one letter skipped and going backward, right?
Yeah.
And the distance will shorten.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the next letter after P?
O.
Over here on the pattern in the question. N, right?
N. Yeah.
Okay. So from P, we are going to N. Okay. So let me erase one thing and then tell me the pattern. What is it?
I tell the pattern. I finished.
Okay. So can you tell me the pattern? Okay. Jasmita, can you tell me the pattern?
It's okay.
Hamrish, give me a minute. Jasmita, can you tell me the pattern? Can you unmute? Jasmita, what is the pattern? Do you know the pattern?
It is skipping one letter and going forward. 2 steps and then it went back.
Perfect. Okay. So now using this logic, can you see the option A? Can you see the option A? Which letter starts? In option A, we have which letter first? Which letter do we have first in option A? Who will unmute? Varuni, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in option A, we have V first, right? So let me underline V over here. So after V, we have T, correct? Varuni, can you keep yourself unmute? So from V, yes. From V, it's going to T, right? But in the first step, it's going backwards. So it can't be this option A. Correct, Amrish?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's check option B. Okay, so it starts with B and it is going to D. So it's going forward one step, correct. From D, it's going to F. Perfect. So it's going forward. And from F, it's coming to A. That means from B, it's coming to A. Correct, Amrish?
Yes, ma'am.
But we have to do one step. We have to skip one letter, correct?
Yeah, and we didn't skip one letter.
Yes.
And
So,
at the last there is D. How can we jump from F to Z?
yes. So it should practically be Z and we have to go from D to Z, right? But this is going to A. Yes, Amrish?
Yes, ma'am.
So this option is also eliminated. So I want Rujula, I guess. Correct, Rujula? Can you unmute? Rujula? Rushi, can you unmute? Hi, Rushi. Okay, so can you see the C option? It starts with J, correct?
Yes,
Okay, from J, it's going to which letter?
it's going to L.
Perfect. So it's going one step forward while skipping one letter K, correct? From L, it's going to N. Perfect. And then it's going to H. And from H, it's going to F. So is it matching our question pattern, Rushi?
It.
Okay, so C is the correct option. Okay, so are you getting the logic? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, tell me how many of you guessed it right, the option C? How many of you got it right?
I did.
Okay, perfect. Great, great job. Okay, so let's move. So the answer is C. So this is the next one. So we saw that in verbal reasoning, we have GK based question. So here it is. It gives brace, donkey, brace is to donkey. So what is to deer? And we have 4 options. So can you tell me which option is correct? Which one do you think is correct? Rushi, can you tell me which option do you think is correct? Okay, I can see some answers in the chat box. Okay. Rujula, okay. She thinks it's C. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Rushi, can you unmute and tell me? We have Princey as well. Princey, can you unmute? Okay. Jasmitha, D. Okay. So first, let's check C. Are you ready for checking? C option. Is it red or green? Okay, I can see Hamreesh's answer. Okay. Is it red or green? Okay, so let's check. Red or green, red or green. Oh, C option is red. It's long. Okay, so next option, which should I select?
It's D. D. D.
Okay, so let's check option D.
D.
Okay, will it be red or green? Tell me option D will be red or green?
Green.
Okay, so let's check.
I found
Okay.
the answer.
Oh, it's green. Perfect. Okay. So do you know that the deer bleeds? So the answer for this question is bleeds. So how many of you got it right?
I got it.
Ma'am, I
Perfect.
got it.
Great, great. Perfect. Okay, so should we move to the next one?
Ow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we move to the next one. It's this one. Okay, this is the answer. Deer bleeds. And we have the next one. What is it? We are going to do the next reasoning, which is, sorry, give me a minute, which is numerical reasoning. So are you ready for doing numerical reasoning? Veer, hi. You joined late, right?
No,
Okay.
I read myself. My name was Rishi before.
Okay, no problem. Rushi, can you answer this question? The logical reasoning question? Look at the pattern
Yes.
below and fill in the missing numbers. So we have 4 wheels and each of the wheels have numbers. But you can see the last wheels, it has 2 alphabets, right? A and B. So we have to find out what is the answer, which are the numbers to be coming in the place of A and B. So should we check the options?
Yes.
Okay, so we have 4 options again, A, B, C and D. So which one do you think is correct? Think on it and tell me what logic you will use in this and which option do you think is correct according to your logic. I want all of your answers in the chat box. Okay, I can see Usha's answer. Okay. D, okay. What do you think? Veer it is. Which option do you think?
I'm still thinking.
Okay, you're thinking on the logic. Okay. Princey, can you unmute yourself? Can you turn on your video? Okay, Princey, I can see your answer. Okay, you feel it is D. Okay. Hamrish is thinking it's A. Okay, okay. So let's check D because majority of you are saying that it's D. So should we check? V, what do you think? It will be red or green?
It will be red.
Okay, so let me select it and let's check what it is. Oh, it's red. How many of you were telling D? Okay. So which option do you think it is next from A, B, and C? Veer?
I don't know it.
Okay.
It will be C.
C. Okay, you think it's C. Okay, so let's check it again. Okay. On the count of 1, 2, and 3. Oh, it's not C again. Okay, now tell me. We have two options. Okay. Princey? Okay, you think it's A. Okay, so should we check option A? Varuni, should we check option A? Varuni, can you unmute? Should we check option A? Rujula, you are saying it's B. Okay. So should I check A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's check. Oh, yes, it's A. Okay, how many of you were telling it's A? How many of you got it as A? Okay. So should we check the logic behind this?
Yes.
Okay.
I thought it should be at the A option. I thought it should be for A. I thought it should be 3. So I said this
Okay,
option.
you said okay, that way you said okay. So I'll give you a hint to solve this one. Then you will tell me the answer, Varuni. Varuni, are you there? So in the first wheel, you have 4 numbers, which is 9, 8, 7, and 2. So the logic is you are getting 7 and 2 by doing something with the numbers 9 and 8. So can you tell me, can you get the logic?
I think I got the logic.
Okay, comment it on the chat box. I'll see. Veer, can you tell me what is the logic over here? Princey, can you unmute?
Ma'am?
Yes. Can you turn on your video, Princey? I can't see you.
On second.
Okay. Hi, Princey. Okay, so I guess there are 10 minutes remaining for the session to end. Please join again. And I'm also sending you the link for getting the participation certificate for this session. Give me a minute, then we'll continue. Okay, Princey, give me a minute. I'll share the link and then we'll continue. Is it fine, Princey?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you see my message?
Yes, I can
Okay.
see. Hamri shall answer. Give me a minute. Okay, I've sent it to Hamrish only. I'll send it to everyone. Give me a minute. So the first link that I'm sending is the link of the group if you want to continue the session. And the second link which I'm sending is the link to get the participation certificate for this session. Can you see the links? Can everyone see the links? The first one is for the group, to join the group for any queries if you have regarding the sessions, how it will be conducted. And the second link is for the participation certificate that you are getting. Is it fine? Okay. So I'll continue further. Okay, Princey, can you turn on your video and we'll discuss this question? Princey, are you there? Okay. Okay. Unmute yourself.
I found
Okay. Who was it? Okay. Veer. Okay. Tell me, Veer.
Yes, ma'am. It says when you multiply 9 by 8, it gives the product of 72.
Okay. So we are splitting 7 and 2 and we are writing it separately, right?
Yes.
Okay. Great job. You have found the logic. So the same logic applies for all the 4 wheels. So now can you guess what will be the answers for A and B? It is, I've already told you, it's 5 and 3. 5 for A and 3 for B. You know why? Because when you multiply 7 by 5, you'll get the answer as 35.
Okay.
Okay? So everyone is getting the logic. Since we want 5 in the units place, so we have to multiply something with 7, which will give us 5 in the units place. So we'll multiply 7 by 5, which will give us the answer as 35. Is it clear to everyone? Show me thumbs up if you are clear with this. Don't scribble, please. Please don't scribble. Please don't scribble. I can't hear you. Please, can you be a bit loud? Please don't scribble, Varuni. Please. Is the logic clear to everyone? Can you show me a thumbs up if it is clear to everyone? Okay, I can see the thumbs up. Okay, so answer is A. So everyone is getting the logic. So should we move to the next one? Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, this is the answer. How we are getting it. Okay, so the next reasoning that we are going to do is visual reasoning. Figure out the logic behind the shapes. Okay, so we have some
this is
shapes.
easy.
We
This
have
is
to see
easy.
the logic. Yes, okay. So Arnav, can you unmute yourself? I want Arnav to unmute. Hi Arnav, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so can you see which option best matches the pattern given in the question? So this is the pattern given in the question. So you have to tell me which pattern matches with this one, the pattern in the question. So can you guess which one it is? Comment it on the chat box. I'll see the answers on the chat box. Okay, I can see Sandhya's message. Okay. Okay, Sandhya, the last one was not clear to you. Sandhya, can you unmute?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So let me go behind. Give me a minute. Okay, so here the logic was we wanted 5 in the units place and all the 4 wheels have the logic that if we multiply the first 2 numbers, that is 8 into 6, we'll get 48, correct? Sandhya? Sandhya, can you
Yes,
unmute?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this way we are splitting the numbers. So similar logic is applicable for the 4th wheel. So we have to write 2 numbers over here in the place of A and B. And the product that we should get after multiplying 7 with something should have 5 in the units place, correct? Sandhya?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we have only one way to do that, and that is 7 into 5, which will give us 35. So we'll write 5 in the A's place and 3 in the B's place.
Okay. Okay,
Oh.
ma'am.
Okay. So let's get to the question we were doing. Okay. So where is Arav? I want him to solve. Okay. So there are 3 minutes remaining. I want all of you to join back again. Can you see the pattern in the question, Arav? Can you unmute? Arav? Okay. So I want Veer or Rujula or Amrish, can you tell me which answer do you think is correct? A, B, C or D? Okay, I can see Prince's answer. Okay, you
I
can
don't
tell.
think. I think it's D.
Okay, which option do you feel? Veer, which one you think?
Ma'am, I would think A or B.
Okay,
I
you
will
think
think
it's
A or D because
Okay,
Because
so
in the pattern matching here, there is no circle, and this one also has C and B also has circle. So I don't think C and B would come. Only A and D can come.
okay. So let's check. So first we'll check A, right? Veer, where are
Yes.
you? I can't see you. Veer, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Veer, I can't see you.
Can you see me now?
Okay. Hambish, can you mute yourself? Okay, Veer, now tell me which option you feel is correct from these four options. A, okay, you
A.
feel it's A. So should I check if it is red or green?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check. Red or green, red or green. Oh, it's red. Oh, so it's not correct. So which other option you think would be correct from B, C or D? Which is the correct one? Which one do you think is correct?
It's D.
Okay, you feel it's D. Okay, should we check red or green?
Yes.
What do you think? It's green, right? So let's check if it is
Yes.
red or green. Okay, so it's red again. Okay, so now which you think? Which one do you think now? Varuni, can you tell me which one you think?
Then
Ma'am?
I would, excuse me, ma'am. Then I would think C because C has square.
Okay, so you think it's C, Hambish?
Yes, ma'am. I think it's C.
Okay.
I'm not, but I'm really not sure.
Okay, so let's check C. Oh, it's red, Hamrish. So the final answer that we are getting is option B.
But
So do
how
you?
is it?
Okay, so let's check why is it B. Okay. Please unmute yourself. Okay, so who will tell? Varuni, can you unmute? I guess it is less than a minute, so you have to join back again.
शिवाय मैम ने आपको आज
Okay, so the logic in this is, can you see the first main pattern in the question?
मैम ने आज वो कराया था और ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर
Aarti, can you mute
मैम ने
yourself?
एक आई सुना था क्लास में अल्फाबेट बुक सुनी थी
Aarti,
है
can you mute
छोटा
yourself?
ओ से ना सुना
नहीं सुनना
नहीं सुना
Okay. Hamrish, can you see the first one? Hamrish, Veer, can you see the first pattern in the question?
Yeah, ma'am.
It is a big rectangle, right?